Ah, solve the system of equations by matrix method. Okay, we have to solve these two equations using matrix method. See, there are different methods to solve this: elimination method, substitution method, and all. We have to use only matrix method. Okay, first we have to write three matrices. First one is A, matrix A. Open the bracket. How we can write? Now first consider variable x, here x, here x. So consider the coefficients of x, 2, 3. Okay. This 2, 3 right here, first column. Okay. Next consider y. Coefficients of y is 5 and this coefficient of this y is 2. So consider these coefficients. 5, 2 right here. 5, 2. So this is matrix A. Next, another matrix capital X, that is equal to what? This matrix is nothing but variables. Okay. So in this equation variables are x, y here. In this equation also variables are x, y. That variable you have to write here x. Y don't write here, write here. Below x write y. Close the bracket. This is matrix X, done. Okay. Next to matrix B. B is equal to what? Open the bracket. See, after equal sign we have constants 1 and 7. Constants. Write this here like 1, 7. Okay. So done. So three matrices we are done. Okay. Next, first step is we have to find A inverse. So there is a formula for A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, adjoint of A. First we need to find inverse. Formula for inverse is this. So in the formula we have adjoint A and determinant A. Okay. So first we have to find these two, adjoint A and determinant A. Then we can find A inverse. First I will adjoint A I will take. Here I will write adjoint A is equal to see, this is 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix means what? 2 rows, 2 columns. See, this is 1 row, 2 rows, second row, 2 rows put into cross mark. This is cross mark. See, 2 columns. This is 1 column, second column, 2 columns, 2 rows, 2 columns. So this is 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay. See, the process to find adjoint of 3 cross 3 matrix, that means 3 rows 3 columns matrix, is different and it is somewhat lengthy. Okay, but this is 2 cross 2 matrix. There is a simple way to write the adjoint of A. So what you have to do, consider these diagonal elements. You have to interchange, that means this 2 comes here, this 2 goes here. Okay, for example, here we have 2, 2. For example, we have 2, 3. Interchanging means what? Instead of 2, 3, we have to write 3, 2 like that. Interchanging. This will go here, 3 will go here, 2 will come here like that. So interchange this 2 and 2 and write here. Since both are 2's, even if you interchange also same thing we will get 2, 2. Because same values. If you have 2, 3, it will become 3, 2. Okay, that is interchanging. But here same 2's are there, so we get same 2, 2. Even after interchange also we get same thing 2, 2. Okay. So next what? So these elements done, right? Now consider this and this. Change the signs of this. That means if plus is there, we have to make it minus. If we have minus, we have to make it plus. Here 5 is there, 5 means plus 5. Changing the sign means plus will become minus. So plus 5 will become minus 5. Okay. Similarly here we have to change the sign of 3. Here nothing means plus. So plus becomes minus 3. Okay. So this is adjoint of A, that is done. Next, so this is done. Next, determinant of A. Determinant of A. See, for 3 cross 2 matrix, finding determinant is somewhat lengthy, but this is 2 cross 2 matrix. So finding determinant is very simple. The thing is, you have to multiply these two first. These are diagonal elements, 2, 2. So 2 into 2, put minus, put bracket, this minus is fixed. Next multiply these two, 5 and 3. So 3 into 5. Right here, 2 into 2, 4, this minus, 3 into 5, 15. Okay. So 4 minus 15, how much? Minus 11. See, determinant A we got minus 11. This is not 0. Okay. Since determinant A value is not 0, so inverse exists. Sometimes if you get 0, so there won't be inverse. First we need to find determinant A. So determinant value is not 0 that time. So inverse exists. So we have to find inverse. We got minus 11. So inverse exists. Okay. So we got this and this. Okay. So using this formula, we will write inverse here. So A inverse is equal to 1 by, so determinant A is this minus 11. Okay. So here nothing means plus. Okay. Plus divided by minus only. So that minus I can write here. Okay. So this is done. This part is done. Next into. Since this is matrix, I don't write into. Just I will write in matrix here. So if you don't write also no problem. That is like multiplication. Adjoint of it, this write it here. 2 minus 5. This minus 3 and then 2. Okay. This is A inverse. Remember. So solve the system of equations. Solving means we need to find x and y values. I will show this side. So for finding x and y values using matrix method, remember this formula. Okay. Ax is equal to b. Okay. So we want this capital X. Send this a to this side. So next step, write this x is equal to, when a is sent this side, a becomes a inverse. And this p keep as it is. Okay. We want x and y values, right? Capital X is what? Capital S is x comma y. If you find x, so we can find x and y values. So first we need to find x. Okay. Now I will keep this here only. I will substitute A inverse. This I will substitute A inverse. Minus 1 by 11 and this matrix 2 minus 5 minus 3 2. Minus 1 by 11 2 minus 5 minus 5 minus 3 2 minus 3 2. So for in this place we have substituted this. Next matrix B, here you substitute. Matrix B is this 1 7. Okay. See, this minus 1 by 11. minus 1 by 11 is a fraction. These two are matrices. Okay, first we will multiply these two matrices. Okay, so once you multiply, then it will be easy to multiply this fraction. First we will multiply these things. So I will write this as it is, minus 1 by 11. Now we have to multiply matrices. First write brackets like this. So matrix multiplication. So consider this first row and this first column. Okay, this is first element, here first element. So 2 into 1. First 2 into 1, 2. You have to put plus. Next consider this second element. Minus 5 into 7. Minus 35. Just 1 minute. Before this, see, order of this matrix is what? 2 cross 2. Because 2 rows, 2 columns, order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Next, order of this matrix is what? 2 cross 1. 2 rows, 1 row, second row. 2 rows, so I will write here. 2 rows. 1 row, second row, 1 column. This is 1 column. So into 1. 2 rows, 1 column. So order of this matrix is this, order of this matrix is this. Okay. So remember, when you multiply these two, the resulting matrix order should be what? Okay, that we can find here only. So order of this is this, order of this is this. So just assume these two are not there, just merge them. Remaining is what? This 2 and 1. So write that as 2 cross 1. Now what does it mean? When you multiply this and this matrix, the result matrix will be there, no? Its order should be 2 cross 1. Okay, that means 2 rows, 1 column. Okay. Now while multiplying first row, this column is done. Now I will consider this second row and this column. Consider first element. This is minus 3 first element, 1 is first element. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Okay, next put plus. Consider second element. This is second element, this is second element. 2 into 7, 2 7 the 14. So close the bracket. Okay. Next, keep this as it is. Simplification. To write 2, first multiplication. A bracket means multiplication. Multiply the signs first. Plus into minus, minus. 35 keep as it is. Here, see, minus is there, plus is there. When we do minus into plus is minus. That means subtraction. We have to subtract smaller number 3 from bigger number. So when you subtract 3 from 14, how much you will get? 11. Okay. Now which sign we have to put here? Consider the bigger number. 14 is bigger than 3. The sign in front of bigger number is plus. That plus you have to put. Got it? Next I'll write here minus 1 by 11 as it is. Okay. 2 minus 35. How much you will get? 33. Okay. Next this 11. So this is the resultant matrix. You can see 2 rows, 1 row, second row. Cross mark, 1 column. This is 1 column, 1. I already said if you multiply this and this, the result matrix should be this. Order of resultant matrix should be this. So we got same thing, 2 cross 1. So this is correct. Now this is fraction, right? We have to multiply this fraction with this and this. I will show here. So minus 33 into this minus 1 by 11. Minus 1 by 11. Next this 11 now into this minus 1 by 11. No simplification. See, minus into minus we get plus only. See, 11 ones are 11 threes are, so we get 3. Next, this 11 cancels out, we are left with minus 1. Okay, just 1 minute. Yeah, so we got 3 minus 1, right? What is this? See here, x is equal to this, we simplified. This is x is equal to, this is equal to, okay, x comma y, because x is equal to x comma y. I will show here only. So we got x is equal to 3 comma minus 1, right? So x is equal to this. I will substitute here. xy is equal to 3 minus 1. Just compare. Here equality sign is there. So both sides should be equal. That means x is equal to 3. Then y is equal to this minus 1. So this is the answer. X is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1. So solve the system of equations by matrix method. Using these matrices we solved and we got this final answer. Okay. Hey, thank you. Click on subscribe.